Today we're going to do a little bit of maintenance on my Generac generator. The model number on this one's GP8000E. Today I'm going to change the oil in this thing. This machine's got right at 30 hours, so I'm going to go ahead and get the oil changed. I'm going to show y'all how to do it. First tool you're going to need is going to be a 12mm wrench. That's just to drain your oil plug right there. Before you drain that oil, always make sure you loosen up your oil fill cap. If not, go ahead and take it out. That way this system can breathe good, get that oil out a little bit quicker. Got my oil fill cap out. Next thing we want to do, I'm going to come over here, break this thing loose. So while this thing is draining, I want to sit here and get some more work done around the shop. But something you notice right here is I got some jack stands underneath it. The reason I put the jack stands underneath is that way I can get it up off the ground, just a little bit better work position, not make my back hurt or anything. So we're going to let this drain. Next thing you're going to see is me filling the oil back up. So this thing's nearly completely empty. I'm going to go ahead and put this oil plug back in. Go ahead and get that started. Make sure you don't get it cross-threaded. So go ahead and get this thing in there. We're going to get it tightened up, get it good and snug. Now that thing didn't have any kind of Teflon tape or any rubber gasket or anything on it. So just make sure it's good and clean before you put it back in. Go ahead and take and wipe all the oil off from around that plug. That way you can tell if you got any leaks or anything after you start filling this thing back up. So anyways, now that we got that, we're going to go ahead and get our oil, start filling this thing up. Now on this oil cap right here, you can see these serrated marks right there. That just shows your oil level on here, and I'm just going to fill that thing up till it's somewhere in the middle of it. Grab your oil funnel, let's start putting it in there. Now you're going to have to kind of look down in there and keep an eye on it. This thing don't hold just a whole lot of oil, and it'll probably start running out once I get it over full, but that's all right. That's why we got a pan down there to catch it. One thing about it, it will spit out what it don't want. A good friend of ours used to tell us that about transmissions. He'd tell us when we'd be out there Jeep riding, they'd start spitting out automatic transmission fluid. He'd say, them things will spit out what they don't want. That's been a good saying that I've used a lot since then. Check the oil level on this thing now. I can get it started. There we go. All right, so we're going to run that thing down in there, kind of snug it up, back it off, see where our oil level is. All right, so I don't know if you can see it. It's like halfway up that mark right there. So it's good to go. And we're going to snug this thing down, just kind of leave it up here for a little bit, make sure it ain't leaking. That's it. That's how you change the oil on this Generac generator. Appreciate y'all watching.